Actually, then it takes things.
She's
You
coming.
only go and take somebody else's hand. Right.
I think he wants to go home. His mom is calling him yet. That way. That's why. It's okay, baby. It's okay. She's calling you.
He sticks his head out of the water once in a while.
It's okay. Go ahead.
That's amazing. As soon as mom called, you hear him all the way over here and responded.
But now his mom is coming over because he's too afraid to walk. There he goes.
Isn't that nice?
That's awesome.
Family reunion.